So yeah, in a bizzle. And down again. We'll show old Mr. Elon Musk where he's going wrong, shall we? Simplicity is the key. I do like that, I'll be honest. Just in the process of cutting some bolts for the blades. That could have gone bad, like that was with the grinder disc. I know it's not deep or anything, but it could have been bad. Always use the guard, folks. Always use the guard. Right, there's the bolts for the blades. And I'm going to use some of the old ones. I've just got to go get some WD. Soaky soak soak. Jolly good. Feels quite nice when it's being turned. So there is hope. Note this is in easy mode, going from the small cog to the large cog. Whereas if it was the other way around, it would be in hard mode. So let's get on with these bolts then. One thing I've got to do is enlarge. This is like the cable pivot. The cable will pivot on a bolt that goes through this, and at the moment it's only M10. So I'm going to enlarge it to put something more solid in there. Let's turn it on max. There. That's the Lidl. You get 3 of them for £4. Absolute bargain. When you think they're M12, but they're not. They're M14. Oh, bloody hell. That's M12. Sweet, that was blade A. I marked them up. Gotta find some more bolts. Jesus, that bolt's old. I've got to put one of these on here so it can't slide forward. Just putting the bolts on the bearings because I haven't even done that yet. These are the bolts that you adjust to push the frame backwards and forwards to level it up and tighten up the chain. You can see it's slightly further out this side, so it needs to come out a bit more here. But it sits in there very well. It feels quite cushy. Now I'm going to fix the rectifier here, somewhere, and I'm just going to wire those 3 up to the rectifier and then send those down the pipe. We'll see if we can get anything. I'm actually going to loosen this bolt here and turn the stator all the way round, so that instead of the wires coming out the bottom floor side, we want the wires coming out top side. So that should be simple. I'm just going to haul it up a bit and see how it feels with that weight. Oh, it feels super heavy. The tension was a bit mismatched, it should be alright now. Famous last words, I think we're out of the danger zone. Well, that was pretty cool. Went up as planned. So all I have to do is build a tail with not a lot of weight in it. If I can do that, we'll be fine. It needs a guy rope on the top back. And so theoretically, really, I should just take it back down now and then get set for tomorrow with fresh light. You can feel just how much weight's on there when it's at a lower angle like that. The ropes are super tight on here, both of these. So yeah, in a bizzle.